Namaste. I am Mrs. Arumugalakshmi from Sri Jaindra Saraswati Vidyalaya Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Singapore. I am here to explain you how to do the practicals for class 10 physics. There are two experiments. Number 1, determination of focal length of the given convex lens. Number 2, determination of the resistivity of the given material of wire. In the first video, let us see how to find the focal length of the given convex lens. The aim of our experiment is to determine the focal length of a convex lens by using distance object method and UV method. The apparatus required for this experiment are wire gauge object, white screen, a lens stand, a convex lens and a measuring scale. First, let us see the distance object method. In this method, we have to fix the convex lens vertically on the stand and place it on the table near an open window of the laboratory. Locate a distance object, either a tree or a building. Here I am focusing a door of the lab. You have to adjust the position of the convex lens and the screen so as to get a sharp inverted and diminished image. Measure the distance between the screen and the convex lens with the help of a measuring scale. This distance will give the approximate focal length. See, I have focused the door. I am getting an inverted image. Now we have to measure the distance between them, the center of the screen to the center of the lens stand. See here, the distance is 10 centimeter. This you have to tabulate. So focal length of convex lens by distance object method is f is equal to 10 centimeter and 2f is equal to 20 centimeter. Now we will move on to the next method, UV method. So here we will first start with the tabulation. Here we have to take 3 sets of reading. In first set of reading, the object distance should be placed greater than 2f so that we get a diminished image. So the U distance here I am fixing it as 25 centimeter and 31 centimeter. In the second set of reading, we have to place the object distance U is equal to 2f. So I am keeping the object at 20 centimeters so that I get an image of the same size of the object. In third set of reading, the object distance should be placed less than 2f so that we get a magnified image. So here I am fixing the object distance as 15 centimeter and 17 centimeter. After fixing this U value, we have to note down the image distance V value. So let us start the experiment. Now we will see the UV method. Here the lens is placed between the wire gauge object and the screen. Now the apparatus required are wire gauge object, white screen, lens stand and a convex lens along with the meter scale. Now we will see the UV method. Here fix the convex lens vertically on the stand and place it on the table. Place the wire gauge object on the left side of the convex lens. Measure the distance between the object and the lens. Place the screen on the right side of the convex lens and adjust its position to get a sharp, inverted and diminished image. Measure the distance between the screen and the lens. This is V. Repeat the same procedure by changing the distance of the U and measure the V distance. Now, first let me keep the U distance as 25 centimeter. Now we will adjust the screen so that we get a diminished clear image. Now U distance is 25 centimeter. Now let us measure the image distance. From the center of the lens to the center of the screen we have to measure. Now adjust the screen distance so that you get a diminished clear image. Once you get a clear image, you will note down the reading. Now the reading is 17 centimeter. Tabulate it. Now we will move on to the next set of reading. Here I am fixing the U distance as 31 centimeter. Now we will adjust the screen so that we get a diminished clear image. Move the position of the screen and fix the position of the screen so that you get a diminished image. After that we have to measure the distance V, which is from the center of the lens to the center of the screen. Now see the reading. It is 15 centimeter. Now you have to tabulate it. Next, move on to the next set. Next set, the object distance U should be placed at 2F. So 2F is 20 centimeter. So at 20 centimeter, I have kept the convex lens. Now the screen is adjusted so that you get the image of the same size of the object. Now we will measure the distance between the lens and the screen. Yeah, note down the reading. It is 20 centimeter. Now you have to tabulate this. We have tabulated. Then we will move on to the next set of reading. Now we have to get a magnified image. So the U distance I am fixing it as 15 centimeter. Now the screen is adjusted so that you get a magnified image. You have to adjust the screen till you get a magnified clear image. After that you measure the distance between the lens and the screen. And here the distance is 31 centimeter. Now tabulate it. Now move for the next set of reading where U is placed at a distance 17 centimeter. Now the object is kept at 17 centimeter. Now once again we have to adjust the position of the screen so that you get a magnified clear image. Once you measure the V distance. Here the distance is 25 centimeter. We have to tabulate it. Now the tabulations are over. Now we have to find the focal length using the below formula. F is equal to UV divided by U plus V, where U is the distance between object and the lens and V is the distance between image from the convex lens, and F is the focal length of the convex lens. Now we have tabulated the U and V readings. Now using this U and V readings, we have to calculate the F value. So we will start our calculation. So first we will write the formula. F is equal to UV divided by U plus V. Substitute the first readings for which U is equal to 25, V is equal to 17 in the formula. So we get F is equal to 25 into 17 divided by 25 plus 17, which is equal to 425 divided by 42, which is 10.1 centimeter. This is for the first set of reading. Now we have to do the second set of readings calculation. For second set, U is equal to 31 centimeter, V is equal to 15 centimeter. Substitute in the formula UV divided by U plus V. 31 into 15 divided by 31 plus 15 we have to do. So 31 into 15 it is 465. 31 plus 15 it is 46. So 465 divided by 46, which is equal to 10.1 centimeter. Now for the third set of reading. U is equal to 20 centimeter. V is equal to 20 centimeter. So F is equal to 20 into 20 divided by 20 plus 20. So 400 divided by 40, which is equal to 10 centimeter. Now we will move on to the fourth calculation where U is equal to 15 and V is equal to 31. So 15 into 31 divided by 15 plus 31, which is 465 divided by 46, which is 10.1 centimeter. The next set of reading 5, U is equal to 17 centimeter and V is equal to 25 centimeter. So F is equal to 17 into 25 divided by 17 plus 25, which is equal to 425 divided by 42, which is 10.1 centimeter. Now we have to tabulate all those readings in our tabular column. We have entered all these F value. For the final result, you have to find the mean value. So the mean calculation is F is equal to, you have to add all the F values and you have to divide it by 5. So 50.4 divided by 5, which is equal to 10.08 centimeter. Now we will move on to the result of the experiment. So what we had found is the focal length of the given convex lens by distance object method is 10 centimeter and then by UV method is 10.08 centimeter. Thank you.